So hello guys, in this video we will gonna learn how we can create a Salesforce developer org. So before starting, let's talk about this a little bit. Developer org is a personal Salesforce environment where you can practice, experiment and create applications, build automations, generate reports and learn Salesforce without spending any money. Think of it as your personal Salesforce playground. Okay, you can also try new features, made mistakes, delete data, create data, or you can learn everything hands-on without affecting any real business system. So let's see how we can create a developer org. So now I have opened my browser here. So let me just search for Salesforce developer org sign up. And you can see this first link. Let me open it. You can see the step one is sign up for developer edition org. And here you can see this is the link. I need to click on this. And I have opened the form which I need to fill to create my developer edition org. So let me fill some details here. So you can see I have filled the form here and I just need to click on sign me up. And after clicking on sign me up, you will receive an email. This is the email I have received. Welcome to Salesforce, reset your password. And then I just need to click on this reset password button. So let me click on this reset password button. Here I am redirected to the Salesforce org where I need to reset my password. Here let me click on the reset password again. And after clicking on reset password, I will be able to create a new password here for my developer edition org. So here let me give some password. So now I have chosen a password, and here in the new security question I have given a question and an answer. Let me click on change password. So now you can see your developer edition org has been created now. So that's how you can create your Salesforce developer edition org. And after creating it, you can just change your username too and your domain name too by just going on to the setup and just going on to your users. And here let me go to the user, and here in the users you can see this is my main user Sachin Singh, which is a system administrator here. So you need to open this user and you need to click on edit, and after that you can change your username. After changing your username, you can sign in with your username. This is an optional thing to change your username to log in the developer edition org with that username. You can just use the default username which is given by the Salesforce. This is the default username which is given by the Salesforce. So thank you guys, I hope you understood how you can create your Salesforce developer edition org. You can now create your own Salesforce environment where you can practice, explore features, and build real world solutions completely free of cost. Thank you guys.